Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install oovoo. So first open up your browser and go to oovoo.com. It's oovoo.com. Here we go. As you see, there's a free download, and I'll click it. After downloading, I have just downloaded it a while ago, so I'm teaching you now how to install it. And if you're a Windows user, press yes. oovoo is launching the installer, and we'll just have to wait. So we will let you select your language. If you're English, Spanish, French, and Dutch. So I'm going to choose in English, and I'll press next. So oovoo let you choose if you want to install the oovoo toolbar and set oovoo search, your web search, your default web search, and I don't want to. I want Google, so press next. So oovoo is downloading oovoo components. So I'm back after the download or installation is done. Now I'm introducing you the features of oovoo. So oovoo can have a 6-way video call, and it can record your video call history, and can share your screen, and oovoo can chat friends. I'll be back after the download is done, and it's 40 to 15% completed. So it's almost done. It's 95%. So now oovoo is installing, and that I'll click on finish. So wait for it. If you don't have an account, you can create an account for oovoo ID, password, name, birth date, gender, and email. Then they will let you choose if what you plan to use oovoo. So I plan to be personal use only, and accept and create account. So I have an account ready and prepared to be logged in. So this is oovoo. My plan is for free, and I have a credit, so 1. So if you're ready to add me as Bishop Rubilos. It's RUBILLOS. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, and like my videos. This is Bishop 2K23 tips and tricks tutorial videos.